Hi, I'm Alison from Purcell's Earth Moving Contractors. The number one reason why people call us is they're worried about the quality of work that they may receive. If a contractor's going to turn up, or even worse, will they come and finish the job properly? Our number one priority with our business is to provide you with lots of information, detail, things that you hadn't previously thought about, some hidden things that you may not know, and detailed quote so you know what you're up for. Scotty has 8 years experience and a wealth of information for you. We believe in giving people lots of information and detail before they commence their project, so you have confidence that you can come and see us and trust in what we can do for you. Take a look at the sorts of projects that we do and give Scotty a call.